If your Android TV box does this, then you are in the right place. Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today we're gonna try to flash the tx3 mini Tanix. It's an Android TV box. We're gonna try to flash it with the original firmware from the website. So first thing we gotta do is get to the website and download the file. So first then you get here and you type tx. You type your the name of your Android TV box, and you scroll right here, firmware download. You press here, you wait for a few seconds, and these are all the Android TV box made by Tanix. So mine, it's not this one. You see it's tx3 mini, but this is not the one. This is the L version. So we gotta scroll down until we found this one, Tanix tx3 mini firmware. It's 1 GB and 2 GB. I don't know, is that storage or RAM? Now this 16 GB, which is the storage, and this is the update. So you click on download, you scroll down here and you type your email and your first name and click yes, send me the download links. Then you get to your Gmail real quick. I think I should type Gmail. Then we just type Tanix and press enter. And this is the one. Just click here, scroll down. You have two options, and make sure you choose this option, which is option B, and then press download the zip. It's going to take you to the mega download. It's a mega, which is bad thing. So you better get the app, download the app, and then it's only 696 megabytes, and you just press download. I have already downloaded the zip file, which is in my computer. Download. There it is. No, this is not the one. Wait a minute. Oh, it's not here. We go to documents, mega sync downloads. Sorry, yes, this is the one. tx3 mini OTA 2017-1220 Tanix box. You open the zip file, and you don't open the zip file actually. You just drag the zip file here to desktop. Now all you need is a USB stick. Sorry. Then you just copy the file to our USB stick. So the file has just been copied. Now we're gonna remove our USB stick, and you will need another tool, something like this. So you can press the reset button. Alright, so this is our device. So what you will need, this tool, and unplug it from the power, turn upside down. There is a little bit, as a real small hole where you can insert this tool. So keep holding it, just keep holding it, and plug the power cable, and it should get you to this screen. You are here, connect the USB stick to the device. Make sure you choose the second port, and you're gonna see that USB flash, the USB light is on, you just, just make sure it's in. And get your remote control and scroll down to apply update from external exe, update from SD card, and it failed to mount. It's not such. Oh, I'm sorry. Wait a minute. I'm so sorry. It's U-disk. No pockets files. Oh yeah, there it is. So you go to U-disk and then you scroll down to the zip file and you press on the zip file. And there it is. Now doing the updates. So it's saying verifying update package. This process is gonna take you to like up to 10 minutes or 15. So just gonna pause the video and I will be back later. This is the device we will be using, and that's the price, 59 euros. Yeah, you can buy it from Amazon. You can get one from Amazon. After the update is complete, it should say install from U-disk complete, and now what you're gonna do is reboot system now. Disconnect USB stick from the device and give it a few minutes to boot up. There we go. I'm gonna skip, I guess, no, I'm not gonna skip anything. Just gonna sit. Alright, seems everything is fine, everything's working fine. Alright, so this is the thing, this is the device, this is how we fixed our Android TV, and now we can just scroll to YouTube, EPTV, whatever you want. So let's go to EPTV. Let's go to Live TV. This way while we get into is ready for the first time, downloading channels, movies and series. It took a really long time, so just going to try another thing. We try YouTube again. Live TV, what's that? Oh yeah, so
So now I'm a fully qualified personal trainer. If you ever fancy a session, obviously down at the gym, I mean.
Yeah, I'll hold you.
oh, is that Roblox? This is YouTube. You can download Spotify, Netflix, games as well. Yep. Thanks guys for watching this video. Make sure you subscribe and like for more videos. Thank you.